All right, so we're going to do 1-1b.
All that's on your paper is just 5 to 0.
And we went over yesterday the different types of equations of a line. And so now we're going to find the equation of a line given certain things. Find the equation of lines. All right, so they can give you, as much or as little information that they want to, and you have to find the line that goes with the information. So we don't need to rewrite the equations, the forms? No? Okay, good. All right, so let's just get right into it. So number 1. Let's say that we are given a point at 5, 4 and a slope of -2. We want to find the equation of the line in, let's do slope-intercept form. Okay, so right away you need to realize that you need to know what the forms are. So if I ask you for slope-intercept form and you give it to me in a different form, you're going to get dinged a little bit. You'll get marked off, okay? So make sure you know the names of the forms and what forms they go with. So an equation in slope-intercept form, but I'm not going to start with slope-intercept because I was given a point and a slope. I'm going to put that in a point-slope form, okay? So here we go. We're going to go y minus 4 equals -2 times x minus 5. Do you remember doing this? You should. I taught it to you on this day last year because I just taught it to my ham kids today. Well, maybe, okay, you're right, RAM 2. All right, so take that -2 and distribute it. We're trying to get it into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So y minus 4 equals -2x plus 10. Finally, add the 4 over to the other side. Y equals 2x plus 14. Yay. -2x plus 14. Okay, that's it. It's pretty easy, right? This is an Algebra 1 problem, but it's really good. We're going to use this a lot in calculus because, see, calculus is like this. Do you see this thing right here? Let's say that something is changing in that motion. And we want to find out what the exact rate of change is right there at that one point. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the slope of that line that goes right next to it, called the tangent line. And then we'll have a point, and we'll have a slope, and we'll find the equation of the tangent line. So lines are really important in calculus. All right, let's move on. Number 2. Okay, so that was a point and a slope. Now let me give you 2 points, okay? So find the equation of the line given these 2 points, 4, 8, and -2, 5. And this time we're going to find the equation in general form or standard form, whatever you want to call it, general form. So general form, as you remember from yesterday, bless you, is ax plus by equals c. Okay? Now, once again, I'm not just going to go straight to general form because I don't have A, B, or C. I have to go ahead and do what first? Anybody know? Perfect. Yep. We're going to find the slope. So we're going to find the increments of y over the increments of x and do that. All right, so here we go. 5 minus 8 over -2 minus 4. 5 minus 8 is -3. -2 minus 4 is -6. So our slope is 1/2. All right, halfway there. So now we're going to choose a point. There are 2 to choose from. I would probably pick 4, 8. I don't know. You could pick -2, 5. It doesn't matter. I like 4, 8. I'll go with that one. So I'm going to go y minus 8 equals 1/2 x minus 4. So once again, I didn't use general form. I went right into point-slope form because I have a point, I have a slope. We can do that. And now let's get this into general form. The rest of it's just simple algebra. You just take the 1/2, distribute it. Y minus 8 equals 1/2 x minus 2. Can you do a couple steps like at the same time now? Yeah, you can. Let's subtract 1/2 x to this side. And then add 8 to the other side. Ooh, are you that good now? Yeah, you are. Okay, now the thing about general form or standard form, there's no fractions allowed. So we need to clear out that fraction by multiplying the entire equation by 2. 2 or negative 2. It doesn't matter. Sometimes the book wants you to have that first term positive. I don't mind if it's not, okay? So we'll just multiply everybody by 2. We get negative x plus 2y equals 12. Another acceptable answer would have been x minus 2y equals negative 12. Okay? And that's it. That's our general form. Yay, isn't this so nice and easy? When does it get hard? Tomorrow. All right, number 3. There we go. Ooh. How about we're given 3x minus 4y equals 24, and we are asked to find the intercepts, okay, and the slope. The intercepts and the slope. So they're asking for both intercepts. The x-intercept, which is not very important, and the y-intercept, which is pretty important. And if you want to, the intercepts are always when the other number is 0. Okay? So you can take your finger and you can cover up x. Do you remember this? And if you cover up the 3x, you get negative 4y equals 24. So y would be what? Negative 6. Yeah? Do you remember doing that? Take that, cover it up. 3x equals 24, so x is 8. So those are your intercepts. This is the y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. Did I get them wrong?
No, you just have a slope written like that.
Well, shoot. Slope equals. There you go. All right, so now let's find the slope. There is a formula, but do you really want to memorize anything else? No. If I were you to find the slope, I would just solve for y. Okay? So let's subtract 3x to the other side. So I have negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 24. And then divide everybody by negative 4. And you don't have to really simplify that. You can just see the slope is going to be the coefficient of x, which would be positive 3/4. You could have also used these 2 points right here and just did y minus y over x minus x. That would have gotten that too. Is it negative? No. Positive. Yep, we're good. Okay. One more. Number 4. All right, this time they want us to find the equation of the line given that it goes through the point 1, 5, and it's perpendicular to 2x plus y equals 10. And let's find this in just point slope form since we haven't done that yet. Point slope form. Do you want to try this one on your own? Or do you want me to hold your hand through it? Let's try it. All right, I'm going to start. Okay, I need point slope form. Therefore, I need a point, which I have, and I need a slope, which I'm going to have. Okay? Ooh, yes, you said it. All right, so let's solve for y. So y equals negative 2x plus 10. So my slope for the perpendicular is going to be opposite reciprocal. So that would be positive 1/2. Okay, so I have a point, I have a slope. Let's put it into point slope form. So y minus 5 equals 1/2 x minus 1. Who got that? Good. Like 20 of them got it. Okay. All right.